Cooking is more than just a daily task. It's a way to express creativity, nurture relationships, and explore flavors. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or a kitchen enthusiast, having the right cookware is essential. This Ninja Pots and Pan Set Nonstick, a revolutionary 10-piece ceramic cookware set that combines performance, durability, and health-conscious cooking into one premium package. This set is meticulously designed to simplify your cooking experience, with its CeramicLock coating, ensuring long-lasting non-stick performance. It's free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals. Compatible with various stovetops, including induction and oven-safe up to 350 Fahrenheit, the Ninja Cookware Set offers versatility and functionality that align with modern kitchen needs. What's in the box? The Ninja Nonstick Cookware Set includes 8-inch fry pan, 10.25-inch fry pan, 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, 2.5 quart saucepan with lid, 3 quart sauté pan with lid, 6 quart stock pot with lid, user guide and recipe booklet. These essentials cater to a variety of cooking tasks, from frying and sautéing to slow cooking and broiling, making it a comprehensive solution for all your culinary needs. Why choose the Ninja Nonstick Cookware Set? 1. Superior non-stick performance. The standout feature of this set is the CeramicLock coating, a dual-bonded layer designed to preserve non-stick performance for up to 5 years. Unlike traditional ceramic cookware, which often deteriorates within a year, this innovative coating ensures durability, making cooking and cleaning easier than ever. 2. Healthy cooking made simple. Cooking with little to no oil is now possible without compromising flavor or texture. The chemical-free design of the cookware supports your commitment to a healthier lifestyle, giving you peace of mind with every dish. 3. Versatile and oven-safe design. Transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven. The Ninja Cookware Set is oven-safe up to 350 Fahrenheit, making it perfect for recipes that require baking or broiling. Its compatibility with gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction stovetops adds to its versatility. 4. Cool touch handles. The lightweight resin handles are ergonomically designed to stay cool during stovetop use, ensuring safe and comfortable handling while you cook. Features that set it apart: even heat distribution. The 3.3mm aluminum base heats quickly and evenly, providing consistent results for perfectly seared and sautéed dishes. Metal utensil safe. Forget worrying about scratching your pans. This set is durable enough to handle metal utensils. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking is effortless with the easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe design. Sustainability. The absence of harmful chemicals ensures that this set is environmentally friendly and safe for long-term use. Extended lifespan. While most ceramic cookware lasts a year, this set guarantees 5 years of performance, making it a cost-effective choice. Healthy and eco-friendly. Cook with confidence, knowing that your pots and pans are free of harmful chemicals. All-in-one solution. From quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners, the variety of pieces included in this set covers every cooking need. Who is this set for? The Ninja Nonstick Pots and Pans Set is ideal for home cooks seeking durable, long-lasting cookware, health-conscious individuals who prioritize chemical-free cooking, families looking for a versatile set to prepare meals for any occasion, anyone who appreciates high-quality, easy-to-maintain kitchen tools. Conclusion: a lasting culinary companion for every kitchen. The Ninja Nonstick Pots and Pans Set is more than just cookware. It's an investment in durability, efficiency, and health-conscious cooking. With its innovative CeramicLock coating, you're not only ensuring consistent non-stick performance for up to 5 years, but also making a commitment to safer and more sustainable cooking practices. This set's versatility, from stovetop compatibility to oven safety, makes it a one-stop solution for diverse culinary needs. The lightweight design, cool touch handles, and easy clean features simplify daily cooking, while its chemical-free composition aligns with modern wellness trends. Whether you're preparing quick meals for the family or crafting gourmet dishes, this set equips you to handle it all effortlessly. If you're seeking a cookware set that combines practicality with high performance, the Ninja Nonstick Cookware Set is the choice to elevate your kitchen experience. It's not just cookware, it's a tool to inspire creativity and confidence in your cooking journey. Don't wait. Transform your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.